Good day, lovely people. My name is Bismarck, your favorite Nzema teacher. You're welcome to today's lesson. In this lesson, you're going to look at the days of the week. Days of the week. In Nzema, we say Kelemowo Dapenini Enula. So let's start. Monday, Kelinzile. Monday, Kelinzile. Tuesday, Dreke. Tuesday. Wednesday, Marin. Thursday, Koulé. Friday, Yale. Saturday, Fole. And Sunday is Mole. I'm taking it again. Monday, Kelinzile. Tuesday, Dreke. Wednesday, Malin. Thursday, Koulé. Friday, Yale. Saturday, Fole. And Sunday, Mole. If this is your first time on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you next time. Bye-bye.